Now this is the test for burn-in after final test. Power switch on, and turn the Viper Pro on. Wait for this to boot up again. It's a good idea to do this touchscreen test or this touchscreen calibration at startup before you get to the main screen, so it locks the touchscreen calibration settings into the hard drive, so it doesn't lose it from startup to startup. Now we're going to go into sprayer spreader. Now can initialization is looking for these two. There's a node in here and a node right there, so it sees everything. We're good to go. And in order for the can to be working, the can switch has to be on. Okay, now we're going to go into burn-in. After the final test, it throws in a profile called final, and it'll start with a default profile in there. So what you need to do to get to the final profile is hit menu, setup, local, profile, then load profile. And then this should be in here after you do the final test procedure. Now we're going to start a new job. So start job, new job, product application, uncheck anything else that might be checked. One node, next, and then any name you want you can put in there. Now it's saving the changes, and now it's going to be looking for GPS and your product controller. So on, okay, this application rates, this needs to be switched to auto. And it is. Okay. We have GPS and we have product. Now, the last thing we need to do is go up here and turn the boom on. Now that we have a boom on and our product is now coming out. And we usually do 80 acres, and that'll give the motherboard and well, mostly the motherboard connection and the ST10 a good workout. And once it goes through 80 acres of that, it's a pretty reliable product, very reliable product. And that's it.